Namaskar everyone. My name is Chef Rahul Wali. Thank you so much for all your wishes and love for my first series that I did on regional cuisines with regional chefs. So for my second series, I have compiled with very young chefs, those who will be talking about certain indigenous ingredients in Indian cuisine. It's a very small effort that they have made, but I hope it will go a long way and encourage many other young chefs to speak about Indian indigenous ingredients and always use them also in their cooking. So let's see what they have to say about certain ingredients that they have, gained knowledge on.
Namaste, I am Chef Anshul Bhatia and today I am going to talk about an oil which has oldest Indian root and that is sesame oil. Its uses are mentioned in Rig Veda, Atharvaveda and Kautilya Arthashastra as well. It has been valued greatly in Ayurveda because of its anti-inflammatory and anti-aging properties. It is used for beauty treatment because it is an excellent moisturizer and it is good for oil pulling method for oral health as well. It is used for tempering and acts as a great flavoring and preservative agent in South Indian cuisine, and we all know the importance of til ke laddu in Makar Sankrant. And it does not have any taste and odor, so it is good option for baking as well. So what are you waiting for? Just include sesame oil in your daily life. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Chef Sanjeev Munyar. I have been serving the hotel industry from last 3 years. I am here today to talk about one of the indigenous ingredients of India, which is known as Tinospora cordifolia, which is commonly known as giloi. Let's talk about history of giloi. In Sanskrit, it is known as Amrita, which literally means root of mortality. It has many Ayurvedic benefits, such as it has great amount of antioxidant which help you to boost your immunity. A juice of giloi will help you to reduce high blood sugar in your body, which is very beneficial for diabetic patient. Plus it has an anti-aging property which help you to reduce your aging properties such as wrinkles, dark spots and etc. In today life we can use giloi by making a glass of juice which help you to boost your immune system, to control your diabetes, plus to help you to control your aging. That's all about giloi. Thank you.
एवरीवन, मेरा नाम शेफ खुशबू चावला है। आज मैं आपको बताने जा रही हूँ बाजरे के बारे में, जो हर एक घर में यूज होता है और इंडिया में हाई फाइबर में पाया जाता है और इसके प्रोटीन भी बहुत अच्छे होते हैं और ये हेल्थ के लिए भी बहुत अच्छा होता है। तो ये बहुत फेमस राजस्थान में पाया जाता है और पंजाब में पाया जाता है और हर एक विलेज में पाया जाता है जो रूरल एरिया में होते हैं। तो इसको हर एक घर में पीपल आजकल जो यूज भी करते हैं और इसको कबूतरों के लिए भी यूज करा जाता है। ये हेल्थ के लिए, वेट लॉस के लिए बहुत अच्छा होता है और इसकी हम रोटी भी बना सकते हैं। जैसे पंजाब में बहुत सिग्नेचर डिश फेमस होती है, जैसे सरसों के साथ हम बाजरे की रोटी खा सकते हैं, मक्के की रोटी खा सकते हैं और ये हाई प्रोटीन फेवर होता है जो इसको हर एक बच्चा भी यूज कर सकता है, बच्चा भी खा सकता है और फैमिली भी खा सकती है और ये बहुत अच्छा होता है हेल्थ के लिए। थैंक यू।
Hi, this is Disha from Disha's Cooking Studio. Today I have my special ingredient named black rice. It is also known as forbidden rice. It is a local variety of Odisha found and cultivated once in a year in Kharif season. Despite being less popular than brown rice or wild rice, black rice has Asian grain that has impressive health benefits than any other rice variety have. Not only it is the richest in its anti-inflammatory properties, dietary fiber, antioxidants, and it has the ability to cure cancer, stop the development of diabetes and even weight gain. 1 cup of cooked black rice contains 8.9 grams of protein, 3.9 grams of iron and 4.5 grams of fiber. This is the highest nutrition value than any other rice variety have. We can cook black rice kheer out of it or black rice pudding. It is a better way to switch sometime with black rice. It has a nutty flavor and aroma to change our day with rice.
My name is Aditya Menon. Today I am going to talk about Colocasia leaves. Colocasia leaves, also known as Arabica patta in India, which can be found in tropical and subtropical regions. These leaves are leafy greens which are similar to spinach. Colocasia leaves are high in fiber and low in calorie. It also helps to promote heart health because of its antioxidant. Colocasia leaves are poisonous if consumed raw. The juice of the leaves are used for treating snake bites and scorpion stings. The root of the plant are used to prevent liver enlargement. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Arpit Kate. Today I am going to talk about that special ingredient which you will find mostly in temples nowadays. However, it has its existence for more than 2000 years old. Yes, you are right. I'm talking about Chandan, or sandalwood. According to Ayurveda, Chandan has its properties of antimicrobial and works as a cleanser for all types of skin. Chandan also heals 3 types of doshas and it treats Vata, it balances and pacifies Pitta and Kapha. Do you know that producing commercially valuable Chandan requires to be a minimum of 15 years? Isn't it fascinating? And that is why, because of its high price and cost, sandalwood is not used in daily cooking. However, there are historic recipes like Chandan ka sharbat, Chandan ke kebab and whatnot. Chandan is still used by many famous kebab specialists or kebab chefs who are mainly famous for their kebab specialities. They still use Chandan for their fare and whatnot, even though their establishments are much more humble than Nawabis these days. That's it from my side. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, this is Chef Tanmay. I'm here to speak about finger millets. Finger millets are more commonly known as ragi or nachni in India. Currently, I'm in Switzerland, so I couldn't reach out to ragi personally. So I have a printout of how the grains of finger millets look like. Coming to the beneficial parts of finger millets to your body, it is a high source of calcium. Around 100 grams of finger millets provide around 300 grams of calcium to your body, which are good for your bones and teeth. Finger millets is also a natural source of iron, hence it is used to fight iron deficient disease such as anemia. The coating of the grain have high fiber content which cut down your food cravings, keeping your body sugar in a good range, hence controlling your diabetes as well. Finger millet is also gluten free, hence it is used to treat celiac disease or the gluten sensitive enteropathy. The phenolics present in the grain are used to fight cancer related problems. The antioxidant and the high fiber content present in the grains are used for your is good for your skin, as it prevents the skin tissue from getting damaged or getting wrinkled in a premature way. So these are few of the many beneficial parts of ragi for your body. Thank you.
Like I always say, knowledge is power. So thank you so much to all these young chefs, those who helped me compile up this very small series. And I hope this series encourages many other chefs and young chefs to start using certain indigenous ingredients in their future cooking. And let's raise the Indian cuisine flag high up. Thank you so much for all your love and wishes. And stay safe, take care, happy cooking, keep cooking. Bye bye.